Hey everyone, how you doing? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. Just a quick intro to this video. I'm just going to be showing some more stocking stuffers and products that you can give as gifts for the holidays, especially if you're interested in giving the gift of clean beauty. I am so happy now with the way things have been going in the world of skincare because there are so many options now that are non-toxic, clean beauty brands that are also cruelty-free. There are so many to choose from now that are so good. Before, when I was trying to pick skincare out, it was very difficult to find products that I liked that were cruelty-free and that were clean beauty, but now the world of clean beauty has exploded and there are so many different options to choose from, so many different brands to pick from. It's just a matter of picking what you like because so many of them produce products that are so good. This video is on one of those companies that I really like. It's a clean beauty brand that is at your local Sephora or online if you're like me and not going into Sephora right now. And it is from Saturday Skin. A lot of young girls love this brand. There are several products from this brand that I really love and have incorporated into my skincare routine. This is just going to be a quick video on some stocking stuffers that you can give that are small, mini sizes, and also good for traveling, and also some of their larger sizes that they offer that can also be given as stocking stuffers, I guess. I love that they have included me, an older, mature beauty lady, in some of their skincare products that they send out. So let's get started with some good options to choose if you're giving some gifts at the holidays. I'm trying to give some more great gift ideas, the gift of clean beauty. This is something that was sent to me from Saturday Skin. I really like this clean beauty brand. They are in your local Sephora. This is a really cute little set of 3 minis. It is supposed to give you clean, clear skin. It is called their Saturday Skin kit. You're going to have 3 products in this kit. There's a travel size pore clarifying toner. I really like that toner. That is so nice. Makes your skin so smooth. It contains a travel size wide awake brightening eye cream, and it contains a travel size Waterfall Glacier water cream. I really like their toner, and I like that this is a nice, small, compact size that I can take with me when I travel. It has 10% glycolic acid in. It really does feel like it is cleaning and refining the pores on your skin. Makes your skin look smooth like velvet after you use it, and all their products just have the cleanest scent to them. I just love the way they make my skin feel. Tap their eye brightening cream around your eyes. It's rich in minerals and antioxidants, so it should smooth that area out around your eyes and brighten it. I am a big believer in eye creams. I use an eye cream first thing in the morning and before I go to bed at night, and I really feel it does help to smooth out the crow's feet around my eyes and make my eyes look more awake and make that area around my eyes less dry looking and hydrated. The last product in this kit is a nice size jar of their Waterfall Glacier water cream. This is a very cool feeling cream. Put it on your face. Makes your face feel nice and smooth and soft and really refreshing. I like it because it is so lightweight. I wanted to show you this one particular set. I think it's a great set for anyone who is a clean beauty lover, or if you know someone that you want to give a stocking stuffer to that loves clean beauty that you want to introduce them to. Saturday Skin is a great brand. I know a lot of younger girls love this brand. I see them talking about it all the time. There were 2 other products that were sent to me for review from Saturday Skin. One was the large size that I've already spoken about, their glycolic acid toner. This is one of my favorite toners. It gets rotated in with a few other ones that are on the top of my list for skincare. Really like this toner when I want a good glycolic acid feel on my face. It tingles my skin a little bit. Definitely makes it feel like it's cleaning out any pollutants that are on my skin, cleaning out my pores, and it's really just a nice way to start your day with a clean surface before you put on any creams or serums or before you put on your makeup. The other product from them that I am super head over heels in love with is this product. I just used this Yusu Vitamin C Serum Sleep Mask last night. I absolutely love it. It has a very light scent of like an orangey scent. It smells so fresh. You put this on your skin at night as a sleeping mask. You let it on your skin all night long and just let that soak in. The Yuzu vitamin C mask comes from a plant called the Yuzu fruit. I think I'm pronouncing that right. And that contains actually 3 times more vitamin C than any other citrus. So it really is working in your skin overnight. So when you wake up the next morning, your skin is nice and soft and smooth. It helps to support the skin barrier, and it should also help improve any dryness you have on your skin, hydrate your skin, and make it smoother and feel more supple. Love this. This is one of my favorite things from Saturday Skin. Probably this, their toner and their Rub-a-Dub facial exfoliation product. I love those 3 products from them. I wanted to show you a few more. These are also great stocking stuffers or great ways to try the brand. I'll leave a link for all these products down in the description box. Take care, guys. Bye-bye from Marla.